Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to change hoodie color in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now make a selection of the hoodie. After make a selection, add layer mask. And now create a solid color layer. And change it any color that you want. I'm going with yellow and hit OK. And now create a clipping mask. And change that blend mode to multiply. And you can see edges is very sharp. To make it smoother, select layer mask and increase the feather to 1% and hit OK. Go to blending options and break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side and hit OK. You can see how we can easily change hoodie color. Even you can edit the color and you can change it any color you want. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.